Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Documentaries have always held the power to inform, inspire, and even challenge the way we see the world. But creating one used to require expensive tools, a full production team, and months of hard work. Now, thanks to AI, anyone can bring incredible stories to life. So, in this video, we'll explore how to create your own viral documentary style videos using Vidatia, an AI powered platform that handles everything from writing scripts, generating voiceovers, designing visuals, and even editing the final output. Whether you're passionate about history, mysteries, science, or human stories, this tool gives you the ability to share engaging documentaries that captivate audiences on YouTube, TikTok, or any platform without needing advanced video editing skills. Let's dive in. So, the first step is to choose your topic. So, focus on stories that spark curiosity or emotion, like mysteries, historical events, unsolved cases, hidden facts, or inspiring true stories. So, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest topics like mine right here. So, let's choose this one. So, go to Vidasha. I'll put the link in the description below. Just click on it. So to get started, download the appropriate version of the app using the links below. So you can install Vidatia on your Windows and for your Mac also. Run the installer and follow the setup instructions. Once log in, you'll see the Vidatia dashboard. So with options like create video, videos, animations, transactions, topic suggestions, settings, etc. So to start, click on create video on the left side. And here you have three options. One, click create, and I have my script. So for this video, we'll click on create. So I have documentary topics right here suggested by ChatGPT. So let's choose this one and paste it on Vidasha. Down here, you choose video duration. So choose a video duration from 15 seconds to 5 minutes. So I'm just going to click on 5 minutes. And here, choose the aspect ratio 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1 is to 1. So let's choose 16 by 9. And for the AI model, let's choose GPT-5 Mini. And after that, click on proceed. Now choose background voice. So up here you have OpenAI and 11 Labs. We're going to use OpenAI and choose a language, English. So you can put special instructions like speak fast, speak in this accent, be a cool teenager, etc. You can write as detailed as you want according to Vidasha. And right here, choose your voice. So for documentaries, I suggest to use professional and calm voice that builds trust. So I'm going to click on Ash and click on proceed. Vidasha is writing a script, so let's wait for a few minutes. And here is the script created by Vidasha. So it's very fast, so it's simple, engaging, and very clear, just like a documentary storyteller. So if you don't like the script that was generated by Vidasha, you have the options up here. So you can choose which model you would like to generate the script. You have GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and click on this something like star icon to regenerate the script. But since I'm satisfied with the script, I'm going to click on proceed. Next is to add your background music. So right here, you can browse through the built-in music library like cinematic, ambient, dramatic, or inspirational, or you can upload your own background track. After choosing the music, you can adjust the music volume so the narration stays clear. And for documentaries, go with cinematic or ambient background tracks. Click on proceed. And now Vidasha is writing the scenes. You have Flux, Google Imagen, Jupyter Images, Ideogram, etc. You can select an image style like realistic, cinematic, painting, etc. But I'll choose this one right here, cinematic. Vidasha automatically generates images for each part of your script. So you can edit prompts to refine the visuals. So you have scenes and narration right here. So if you want some changes, you can update the visual prompt to regenerate. Next, click on proceed. And now Vidasha is creating the visuals. And now it's time to review and edit the scene. So Vidasha shows you visuals plus narration in sync, and you can review each scene. So you can edit visuals or replace with better AI generations. You can add text overlays if needed, apply smooth transitions and effects. So for example, if I don't like this visual, I'm just gonna click on this one, this icon down here to regenerate the image. And Vidasha will create the full video.
Art, a symbol of culture, creativity, and history. But what happens when masterpieces vanish overnight? Welcome to the shadowy world of the world's greatest art heists. Our journey begins in 1911, when Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa was stolen from the Louvre. The painting disappeared for over 2 years, leaving the world in shock. The thief, Vincenzo Peruggia, claimed he wanted to return the artwork to Italy, igniting debates that still linger today. Fast forward to 1990, the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston faced the largest art theft of the century. Thieves disguised as police officers slipped past security and made away with 13 pieces valued at over $500 million. Despite numerous leads, the masterpieces remain missing, a cold case that haunts the art world. In 2004, the Scream by Edvard Munch was snatched from the Munch Museum in Oslo. The stolen Scream echoed globally until its recovery 2 years later, thanks to tireless police work. Why are these heists so compelling? Beyond money, stolen art signifies lost cultural heritage. These artworks are irreplaceable treasures, each with a unique story, reflecting our shared human experience. Today, technology fights back, with advanced security systems, facial recognition, and global databases.
So with Vidasha, you can go from an idea, script, narration, music, visuals, finished video all in one place without needing expensive software or editing skills. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.